Next thing we're going to look at is the dollar, which is soaring to the upside. This has been one of the harder things to look at right in here and analyze. It gets right up over here today in this upward, there's a panic buying going on in the dollar based on the interest rate structure at 98.8, 98.82. If it closes up through there, it's going to reestablish an intermediate uptrend. It's going to warn us of that. And if that's the case, then this big cycle right over here that you see may end up to be a very major low, and we could be heading much higher. If interest rates continue to spike up based on the Fed's insanity, based on print, then and huge demand for money because companies are in huge trouble, the dollar is going to fly well past that 100 level. So, we're going to have to reverse on it. And we thought it was negative, but we're not going to stay on the wrong side, that's for sure. And the momentum that we're looking at here is beginning to change. So you can see the momentum turning negative here in the big break, and now momentum in here almost neutral, but not quite. So we have to see what happens right in here. If the stock market panics and the bond market rallies back up, this will pull back again. So that's the correlations, and we're looking at it. We're going to call the dollar as getting up and testing that 99 area, that resistance, and then failing after that. We're going to guess that the failure comes in a modest way, and we're setting up something more positive. But if it closes up past that $99, it's going to really make a difference with the change in here in this structure. It really makes you wonder about whether or not interest rates are going to spike more to the upside. Really curious when I see that. I can't make a big call in here. The downside momentum in the dollar is disappearing, and this flight into dollars looks like it's really powerful. 5 straight days, you can see those white bars, very strong when you look at that now. This big negative configuration warning that we had, which was perfect, now you got to wonder if it's now going to create something that's more positive. When I see that, and I just got to stay tuned on this one because I can't give you anything brilliant on this one based on what we're looking at.